Hello everyone, Gavin Rao, Business Development Manager of RichRFID. Our company RichRFID keeps dedicated to the development of Internet of Things for many years, especially passive RFID for industry laundry, smart retail, asset tracking, intelligent inventory, digital healthcare, and so on. The core staff in RichRFID have more than 10 years experience in RFID area, including sales, R&D, and production engineers. So we could provide the professional suggestion based on the specific application. Also the customization service such as design, printing, encoding. We have many options for different situations, like different dimensions, chips, installation methods, or RFID laundry tags are compatible with magnetic resonance in healthcare. Digital management will improve the control efficiency significantly and reduce the cost of labor and textile waste, realize the smarter management. We have already developed the dual frequency HF plus UHF laundry tag and printable laundry tag in low type. Sure, in the future, we will invest more resources to develop the innovative product.